Shugaban lauyoyi mata, wadda aka sani da Huwaila, wadda take shugabantar wannan ƙungiyar da aka fi sani da FIDA, ƙungiyar lauyoyin mata ta ɓangaren jihar Kano, ta yi bayani akan yadda ƙungiyar take taimakawa mata sannan da marasa galihu wajen gano cewa sun samu justice.
And that is what the organization Al-Fajr stands for. We are basically protecting the rights of women, children, and indigent, particularly people living with disability as well. Be it a man or woman, be it a man, it doesn't matter. But when it comes to human rights, there's a lot of human rights violation around, and whatever it is that comes to our attention, that a right of a person has been infringed, we try as much as we can to address it, be it enforcement, be it going through the enforcement procedure or seeing anything, any way we can address it, either if it's with the police or the court. And we normally, the most common violations we have, particularly here in the north, particularly Kano State, I feel is the gender-based violence, which is very, very rampant. And if you come to our office, you'll find out that we have a lot of cases that we've been dealing with. We dealt with a lot of cases, particularly rape cases and domestic violence. And so far, I'm not saying that it has reduced or not, but whatever case that comes to us, we try as much as we can to address it and take it to the proper channel to see how it is dealt with accordingly.